Keeping a lawn green without flooding your driveway or drowning your plants is a huge pain with those old-school dial timers. I got tired of guessing how much to water, so I bought and tested the top smart sprinkler controllers on the market. I wanted to see which apps actually work and which ones are just a headache. Let's see which one is right for your yard. Product number 1: Rachio Weatherproof Outdoor Enclosure. Okay, starting with something unique. This isn't the computer itself, but the Rachio Weatherproof Enclosure. If your irrigation wiring is outside like mine, you can't just stick a smart controller on the wall exposed to rain. Holding this box, the hard plastic feels thick and durable, definitely rated to handle storms. It fits the Rachio 3 or Gen 2 perfectly inside. I noticed it has a spot for a padlock, which is great for security, and knockouts for hard wiring. Installation took me about 20 minutes. It mounts solidly. It's strictly for protection, giving the system that clean, finished look while keeping moisture out. If your sprinkler setup is outdoors, you absolutely need this shell to protect your investment. Speaking of the brain of the operation, let's look at what goes inside it. Product number 2: Rachio Wi-Fi Smart Sprinkler Controller 8-Zone. This is the actual Rachio Smart Controller, the 8-Zone version. Out of the box, it looks like a piece of modern art, super clean with no confusing buttons or dials. The real magic happened when I set up the app. It connects to local weather stations, so when it rained last Tuesday, the controller automatically skipped the scheduled watering. I didn't have to lift a finger. It even adjusts for seasons, watering less in cooler months. The fast DIY install claim is true. I swapped my old unit in under 30 minutes. It feels like having a personal gardener that watches the forecast for you. If you want the smartest tech that handles everything automatically, this is the gold standard. But maybe you want something a bit more familiar looking. Product number 3: Orbit 57925 Beehive 8-Zone Indoor Controller. I grabbed the Orbit Beehive 8-Zone next. This one is designed for indoor installation, like in a garage or shed. Physically, it feels a bit more utilitarian than the Rachio, but it's solid. What I loved during testing was the flexibility. It uses both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so if the Wi-Fi goes down, you can still control it when you're close by. The app is great for targeting specific zones. I set up a custom schedule for my flower beds versus the lawn, and it handled the different water needs perfectly. It also integrates well with drip irrigation systems. If you want a reliable, smart upgrade that stays safe inside your garage, this offers a ton of features for the price. However, if your yard is smaller, you might not need all those zones. Product number 4: Orbit 57915 Beehive 4-Zone Indoor Controller. If you have a smaller yard or a townhome, the Orbit Beehive 4-Zone is likely all you need. It's basically the little brother to the previous model. Holding it, it's much more compact, taking up very little wall space in my garage. Despite the smaller size, it doesn't skimp on the smarts. I used the same Beehive app to monitor it from work, and it worked seamlessly to adjust for weather changes. It was super easy to wire up since there are fewer zones to deal with. I really appreciated that I wasn't paying for extra capacity I didn't use. If you have a simple setup with just a front and back lawn, this is the most cost-effective way to get smart watering. But what if you have a massive property? Product number 5: Orbit 57950 Beehive 12-Zone Indoor-Outdoor Controller. Finally, for the big properties, I tested the Orbit Beehive 12-Zone. This unit is a beast. Unlike the other Orbits I tried, this one comes in a heavy-duty locking cabinet that's rated for outdoor use right out of the box. You don't need to buy a separate enclosure like you do with the Rachio. I set this up on an exterior wall, and the weatherproofing felt top tier. With 12 zones, I could control the lawn, the garden, the drip lines, and even the side yard separately. The app helps calculate exactly how much water your lawn needs so you aren't wasting a drop. If you have a massive yard and need a rugged, all-in-one outdoor solution, this is the one to get. So whether you need the weather intelligence of the Rachio or the rugged outdoor durability of the Orbit 12 Zone, one of these will definitely save you water and stress this summer. I've dropped links to all of them in the description below so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.